I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
In this video, I'm going to show you just how incredibly easy it is to make a delicious broiled lobster tail inside an Ooni pizza oven. To get started, turn the lobster tail over and cut the shell underneath on both sides and then peel it back. Then just use your finger to gently pry out the lobster meat. Use the kitchen shears to cut the tail down the back to a depth of about 1/4 inch and remove the vein. Just like a shrimp, you need to clean a lobster tail. And it's not really a vein. When the floor of the pizza oven is about 500 degrees, carefully broil the lobster tail shells just for a couple of minutes because they're going to get nice and red and it's a great addition to the plate. Add the tail meat and turn it frequently because it will cook fairly quickly. I used a low-sided cast iron Kamado to cook my lobster tail meat and it worked great. The thing I really like is that the low sides let you see what's actually going on inside the pizza oven. It also makes it a lot easier to turn the tail meat. The secret ingredient to great broiled lobster is butter, and a lot of it. Use a basting brush to paint on the melted butter, turn the tail, and do it some more. I don't think it's possible to have too much butter on a broiled lobster tail. It's just that easy to make a terrific broiled lobster tail inside an Ooni pizza oven. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.